behalf of FNSE, my family and myself, to welcome you to the second edition of the Daddy Gio Innovation Challenge. Last year, first edition, I told you that this year was going to be bigger, and today we have doubled the prize money. And this year's edition, the first position goes home with 1 million naira. And of course, subsequent editions will be bigger than the previous one. Next year we'll be introducing the follow-on aspect, which is the commercialization. You need to go from competition to commercialization. I thank every one of you for your resilience, for your interest, and for being part of this competition. As long as I live, I will continue to do this and continue to support you. Please let the competition begin.
So we are all excited to see what you have unveiled for us today.
The contestants are ready. That's the major reason why we're here.
Thank you, everyone, and thank you all the teams that made it to this point. The results are out, and I have before me here the following winners, starting from the third position. George 3D team, you scored 137 points. Second position go to Solar Symphony. Solar Symphony scored 139 points. And the first positions goes to the first position goes to the kitchen assistant. Who scored 157 points. Congratulations.
It's all because of you. I can't be what I'm not, and I know what I want. Got no time to waste. I'm gonna shoot my shot. You only miss the one you never take, and I've been doing a lot. Been prepping like a soldier all night and day. I'll bring the extra heart. I got that supernova DNA. From the Golden Gate to the Empire State, gonna say it with my chest. You're the reason I'm the best. I'm the best, yeah, yeah. I'm the best, yeah, yeah. Higher than the rest, yeah, yeah. I'm the best, yeah, yeah. We're the best, yeah, yeah. We're the best, yeah, yeah. We're gonna celebrate, yeah, yeah. We're the best, yeah, yeah. It's all because of you.
We want to thank all of our sponsors, DM Controls, IC Nigeria, Chestnuts and Boats. Thank you very much, sir.